my name is Lisa Blackstone. I'm with the Horse and Rider Club. I often hear people talking about how differently their horse acts on a trail ride compared to when they're just hanging there in the barn. Well, I want to explain why you might find your horse acting kind of funny every now and then when you're out riding with others. The main thing to remember is that horses are herd animals. They want to be together. They feel safe in numbers. That's what their instincts tell them. And besides that, once they're in a herd, they have an established pecking order. Now, sometimes they establish that pecking order in very subtle ways. Other times it can be kind of violent. If you see some new horses in a pasture together for the first time, you'll know what I'm talking about. Well, when you go out on a trail ride, you are talking to all your buddies. Your horse is talking to all his buddies at the same time, and you just might not be aware of it. For example, if you are riding with a group of horses and you're riding too close to the one next to you, you may find your horse backing his ears and tossing his head at the horse next to him. Horse is getting a little close and he's threatening him, telling him to back off. Similarly, if you get too far away from a group of horses, let's say the other riders go up ahead of you and you are several horse lengths behind, your horse is probably going to act nervously and jig and want to go forward and catch up with the others because he's intimidated. He knows there are safety in numbers. So that's why he's acting the way that he is. Sometimes you're on a dominant horse and that dominant horse wants to be the leader of the pack. So if he's not in front of all the other horses, then he's misbehaving. He's wanting to charge forward and get in front of the other horses. And you might be thinking, where is this coming from? Why is he doing this? Well, now you know why. They communicate with each other all the time, whether you're paying attention to it or not. So there's some good rules to follow when you're on the trail with other people. Make sure that you ride a comfortable distance between each other, whether you're side by side or head to tail, because you don't want to get too close up behind a horse. He might feel intimidated or threatened and might kick. So you don't want to get too close. At the same time, you don't want to get too far behind to leave the horses feeling intimidated at all or scared to be alone. Well, keep those factors in mind next time you go riding with other people, and you might understand why your horse is acting just the way he is. If you found this video interesting and you'd like to see more, I invite you to go to my website at horseridingvideos.org. Sign up there on my homepage, and it'll take you to another page with 20 videos just like this one that I hope you will enjoy. Thanks.